Oil refineries are struggling to stay in business due to the EPA's tradable biofuel credit program. Those credits have become a multi-billion-dollar trading market, worsening fears that smaller businesses will lose out to more established refiners. One America's Neil McCabe has more from Washington.
Texas Republican Senator Ted Cruz is demanding that President Donald Trump end the Renewable Identification Number program that forces independent oil refineries to compete in a trading market with jumbo oil companies and oil companies with gas station channels in order to save the good jobs those refineries provide.
All of these jobs are at risk. That money doesn't go to Iowa corn farmers. That money is going primarily to Wall Street speculators and giant oil companies. It doesn't make any sense at all.
All refiners must meet EPA ethanol quotas. Companies earn RIN credits for blending biofuels into their refined gasoline and other fuels. When the program started under President George W. Bush, the credits were made tradable so that companies with strong biofuel lines could sell their extra credits to companies less active in blending. The problem is that ethanol is a form of alcohol, so it evaporates quickly, and there is no way to store it economically. Refiners with retail gas stations blend the ethanol near the point of sale, but independent refiners have no choice but to buy credits. Many of the workers standing with Cruz work for Philadelphia Energy Solutions, the largest refinery on the East Coast, which filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in January because it could not afford to buy credits and it does not have its own distribution channel, putting thousands of jobs at risk. Senator Cruz told the workers that in a meeting at the White House about the issue, President Trump told him that these workers were his people.
I'm proud to stand with the steel workers who are here today. I'm proud to stand with the working men and women of this country. And I am encouraged that as we stand together, the President is going to hear and respond to the cry of the men and women who stood with him.
Pennsylvania Republican Congressman Lou Barletta, a candidate for U.S. Senate, told One American News it is also about saving a way of life for thousands of families in his state.
We saw in Pennsylvania what happens when the steel industry went down and all the families that lost their jobs and eventually left Pennsylvania and literally destroys communities. We saw that happen in Pennsylvania. We cannot let the same thing happen.
Neil W. McCabe, One America News, Washington.
We can use your help. Call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call today.